What's going on, YouTube? Green Dot Whisperer back again, trying to update you on what's been going on with the markets, update you on old videos and where we're standing on the current position. So here we are. This is a screenshot of my actual account, guys. Very transparent on this channel. I'm here to teach, and the only way for me to teach is by showing my actual examples and results. So here it is, my actual numbers. Baba, according to my first video, we actually had a not actually we lowered down. We actually got a lower average share price. I sold out. I think we were at 265 on the first video, and sold out some of it, got a $20 profit on one, and then bought back in as it fell down. And here we are standing. This is the average share price now, and this is where it's at now. We're at a $214 loss. That's only 3%, guys. Don't let the big number scare you. It's only 3%. All right. So not too worried about it. But we will see on the charts where Baba should be going. Neo was an experiment that I actually picked up today, and the time of recording of this video is Tuesday, December 15th, 8:50 p.m. Eastern time. So Eastern American time. So I picked up Baba today um earlier around 11 a.m. and like you see, one share, $43. Well, that's how much it's worth now, but this is how much I paid for it, $41. It went up to 43. That's actually, so I caught 4% gain in one day because I bought it this morning. So tomorrow, if it keeps running and it prints a green dot, we'll see that again on the charts. We're gonna run through these. So I'm giving you the results where we're standing at. These are the average share prices. Take a screenshot, write it down, and then follow me on the charts. Um, OGI, Organic Gram Holdings. This is a cannabis company, guys. 19 shares of this. Picked this up actually today again, also, and paid $1.33 for it. Went up to $1.44. Look at that, 8% already one day. These both on the same day, so I mean, it's not crazy money. It's only $2 here, only, but for a 4% and an 8%, if this was bigger money, if this was $1,000, then we'd be talking some good returns. But I'm testing the waters on these. Probably gonna end up selling them out real quick, taking my little returns and adding them to a more concentrated position, which are my important positions, like Baba, as you can see how much money it's in that, and as Facebook, because Facebook was getting hit with all the lawsuits, so it went down. But you see, I invested that much money into it and got 8 shares of it, and now that my average share price is $274, and picked up some more shares today, and so it went up to 275. Did that today also, guys. Did about $1,000 of this today, and it's not even a percent up yet. So only 0.34%, and that's $7.50. So that just started running, because as I'm gonna show you on the charts on the technical side, Facebook is looking ready to launch. Honestly, this one might launch first. I think the entire cannabis sector is about to have another run, and the entire EV sector is about to start running. That includes um Xpan, Tesla. That they already had slowed down. They already sold off a little bit. I think this is now when they start charging up again. Get it? EV cars, they start charging up again. Anyways, but so let's get to work. Green Dot Whisperer here. All right. If you're investing in any of these stocks, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see me run through a little quick run by of the stock that you're interested in, put it down there. What stocks are you looking at? So let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to interact with the entire community out there. Um, so let's get to work. Green Dot Whisperer. Don't forget, this is a webull account right here. Everything you're seeing here, this is a screenshot of webull. Don't forget to join now before they take away your 4 free stocks, because it's 4 free stocks now. But I don't know how long that promotion will last, but I'm telling you, it's not gonna last long. So do it now. Don't wait, and deposit that $100 and get you the 4 free stocks. So now's the time to get it. They gave me 4 gold stocks, which are producing returns right now, so it's pretty good. But yeah, so now it's the time to get into webull, get your feet wet, do that. And now let's get to the technical side of things. Hide this. Let's make this nicer. All the alerts again, once again, on all the stocks that I follow. Trading View platform. So, what are we looking at? We're looking at Baba. Baba's our biggest holding. Been working on it the longest now. So, all right. On the 3-day, let me clear this up for you. It looks a little messy. I don't want to get people confused out there when I'm about to take away these little yellow lines that you see right here. This guy, those guys, those are all called pivot points. It marks out different supports and resistance levels. So we're gonna take that away. We're gonna take the VWAP away. Why not? Because you can see the VWAP on the wave oscillator, so you don't necessarily need it here, but I like seeing it. And we're gonna keep the Bollinger Band. It's just a little wedge that I marked up. This wedge is not even valid anymore because it was before we started trading outside of the wedge. So we're gonna get rid of that because it went outside of the wedge. It broke it already. It's no longer relevant. All right, so 3-day chart. Here we are. As you can see here, printed a red dot. This is the longer time frame, 27 October, and hasn't printed that in the green anymore. Let's go to the single day chart. Nothing. But you see how it's been floating under bubbles, undervalued. You see how the RSI is at 33 level, around there, give or take, but around 33. So it's not value yet, but 33 means it's getting there. It's pretty close to the oversold line. On the smaller charts, it is oversold. That's why I was adding to the position today, averaging down, because we were getting some promising green dots over here, because we even got one on the 1-hour chart. And look at the RSI where this is standing. This is where you want to be. This is what you want to see. You see, this is sold out. Oversold right here. Boom, broke out. Best time to have bought it where I've been down here. Most value, you're buying, you're getting a tremendous value at that time. And right here, you see I was gonna break up. So you wanted to break up, even if it comes up here, but I really wanted to touch over here. So we'll see how we play that out. VWAP, SMA, according. So this is gonna get ready to run. This is an hour chart, so this is still gonna play out. Let's see, 2-hour chart kept climbing up. See, that was at 1330. So what's that? 1330. How come I don't know this, guys? That was 1:30 in PM Eastern time. So damn, I'm getting rusty with my military time. But 1:30 Eastern time, 15th, and yeah, so promising. Getting green dots up the channel, up the charts basically. So that even the 3-hour, which is great. Once your 4-hour chart hits, that's it. You're on your way to getting that green dot on the day chart, and you're on your way to going bullish and running that trend up and flipping this bottom bubble to a top bubble, like so. You see, this is when you're down, and this is when you're down, and then when you flip this bottom bubble to a top bubble, that's when you start running, guys. Look, it's right in front of you. The proof is right in front of us, guys. I'm not making this stuff up. Green dot, red dot, bottom bubble, top bubble. Invest here, run, sell here, sell top bubble. Here we are. Bottom bubble, Green dot's going to print 4 hour, invest there. Then you're going to be at a run, sell top. It's too easy, guys. This is trend trading. There's no secret to it. Start learning it. Join chart champions, and we shall help you see the light. So, Neo, if I was gonna take a little time, all the news about delisting. So they're playing with it, but it's still a survivor. It has a lot of cash in the bank. I don't think nothing is not going anywhere. I'm gonna see profit before I see anything detrimental happen to it. So Neo, I like. That's why I picked up the one little share of it just to see how it moves and study it. Because I had an old video where I spoke about Neo briefly, and I was looking at all these green dots right here. Boom, 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 boom. Now come on, guys. Now follow my mouse. Follow my mouse. Stay on track. Look at these candles right here. All right. Let me make this small. It could fit all of them in the screen. All right here. This is a no momentum downward. You don't see no bottom blue bubble and pop. All right. Another one. Look at these runs. These are clean runs. And this is on the day chart. So once you get the day chart, this started on October 29th, this green dot, and it kept running all the way to this red candle where it told you to sell on the 10th. So from the 29th to the 10th, that's like almost a 2-week hold, short of a 2-week hold. So, and you had gotten this entire run. That's a very profitable run. So look at what's about to set up now, guys. I'm about to get a green bubble on the bottom. When was the last time you even got a green bubble on the bottom? Down here, April 7th. That was a long time ago. So and let's see what happened in April 7th since a bubble that corresponds to what we're about to get here. Because you can see how it lines up, guys. Follow the mouse. You see the line, that's where it lines up. That's where the green bubble used to be. So boom, this is it. Look what happened. We went on a crazy run and didn't stop running till now. Now is when we finally dipped down over here, as you can see. But since then, since April, bullish run, bullish trend all the way, as you could see. Oh my God. And look at this over here. It was pretty much oversold on bottom. Let's see what it did in 30-minute chart just to relate. Oh, look at that. You got bought it oversold. Guys, if you're not in this, you're missing opportunities. Don't get mad at your job. Get mad because you didn't find a different way to pay yourself. That's not your job. So moving on. Facebook, I told you, is going to be my runner. It's preparing quicker than Baba, honestly. So we're going to check this out closely. 3 hours still bullish, but right. This is the 2-day. So yeah, 2 days still bullish because of all the news. This is when it started dropping. Day chart, bearish, still bearish, started dropping because of the news, as you can see here. Boop, boop. Now, the comeback, though. We're trying to get the comeback. We're trying to turn this around. So over here, you sold this. This was today. It was oversold. That's when I got attracted. It's like, ooh, look at this. And look at this. It hit my support line. Look what it did when I drew the support line up here. Look exactly what it did. And I bought money. I put more money in at this level. I think I put $1,000 at this level. So as soon as I put that $1,000, boop. Takes you got to be a good trader to be able to snipe something like that. That's the best entry. That's a sniper entry right there, guys. Like, I'm not trying to toot my horn. I'm still learning, but that's what you want to get. That's what you want to do, and that's honestly perfect. Look, I caught it at the wick. That's the wick of it, and then caught the entire run up. Come on, man. I'm not just on YouTube speaking for my health. I'm speaking so that everybody else gets a chance to be able to get a piece of this pie. 1 hour, green dot, as you can see. I'm just climbing up the charts here. because I watch this all day long as the market's open, and I see these green dots print. I'm like, ooh, invest here, invest there, invest there at different points, and then I get the best average share price. So keep it tracking. You guys got questions? Let me know. 3 Hour came on Facebook at 15:30, so that's 3:30 Eastern time today. You see that 3 hours? What I said about the 4 hours, we're about to get the 4 hours because it's been running post market as well, so that should already be printed. So as by the time we open up tomorrow, that should be printed and we should be running. And like I said, I already showed you the picture before. Organic Gram is another cannabis stock. The entire sector's getting ready to run. I bought Afria not so long ago, also already in a huge percentage return. I bought Afria yesterday and it's like up 14% already. I don't know. Everything I touch is turning good. Hopefully it stays that way. We'll see what happens when the market recovers fully and things go back to normal and stagnant. But right now, there's opportunities. That's why I'm on here almost every day, trying to give you the layups, trying to tell you to start researching, investing, and learning, guys. Join Chart Champions while it's still free, because there's going to be too many people to teach at one point, and we're going to have to start charging. It's not even going to be up to us. You know what I mean? We can't teach the entire world, but the people that want to be there and the people that shows the enthusiasm and come and join the chat room for while it's free and become monster traders and hopefully pass it down to other people. That's what we're all about. So chart chat room link is in the below. I'm going to sign off here. Cannabis sector about to run. EV market is about to run. I gave you my holdings right here. Come on, guys. You see it? I want Baba to give me a bigger return. I'm about to turn this green and take hopefully more than $200 profit on that one. Neo, I'm probably going to get my quick returns here, sell these out, and then add them to Facebook maybe, or even Baba, depending on which one went lower and which one's flying. So if Facebook starts flying first, cool. I'll take my money there, sell these and then profit, and then add it to Baba, the little bit of bread it is or whatever. I add a little bit more money, but you get the drift. All right, guys, stay safe, stay home, learn some trading if you're on lockdown, because what else you gonna do with your time? You got the free time. Join Chart Champions, start reading some books, ask them questions, leave some comments below, open up a webull account and get your feet wet and get started today, man. You're leaving money on the table already for not even trying. So